Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it has battery and Wi-Fi so nothing interrupts changes. Next, open Settings and go straight to Apps. Once there, tap See All Apps and enable Show System Apps. This reveals hidden services like Android Setup or Setup Wizard. Once visible, you can target the specific setup process that spawns the notification. Don't skip this step, because system apps are hidden by default, and you need the exact app entry to adjust notification and permission settings. You now tap the Android Setup or Setup Wizard app entry. This is the actor behind the persistent notice. Open Notifications and flip the master switch off, or disable specific notification channels that match the message text. Once done, force stop the app to stop current processes, then clear storage or cache to remove leftover triggers. Make sure to avoid removing permissions needed for normal system behavior. If an option says disable, use it only if your device permits without harming core features. Once you've disabled notifications and cleared app data, reboot the device so changes fully apply. Check that the setup notification no longer appears. If it returns, boot into safe mode to prevent third-party interference and repeat the disable/clear steps. As a final troubleshooting step, reset app preferences or perform a factory reset only if necessary. Factory reset removes data, so backup first. Make sure to test between changes. Often a reboot plus clearing storage resolves the issue without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.